everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanchika, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So you must have guessed the video by the title. This is my lockdown empties or my favorites, products that I've been using for a while, like 5-6 months, every single day, and I'm loving it, loving it. So I thought of sharing this. I have seen these kind of videos on a lot of channels, so I thought of sharing my products with you guys. So if you want to buy any of these products, then links will be in the description box below. And also, how is my new setup? I hope the lighting and the voice is correct. So let's get started because I will be talking too much in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with the first product, I have the Body Shop Japanese Cherry Blossom. It is kind of a body mist, and this is how the packaging looks like. So I got this bottle back in December, I think, and I've been using every single day. The quality and the quantity is so good that I'm using every day. It just needs 2 sprays to smell amazing, and I am already over with this much, but I use it daily. It's not too strong and not too mild. It's the perfect floral smell that you can use like every single day after shower, and I'm absolutely in love. It smells exactly like cherries, and it has a very mild and nice smell. I got this one in a gift, but I absolutely love this product. So if you guys want, you can check out the Body Shop products. They are really good. The quantity and the quality is also amazing, and also it comes in a glass bottle, so it's very good for gifting as well. So the next product that I am showing you guys is from my personal experience. So I had been facing an issue with my hands due to sanitizer. So my hand skin started to peel off due to alcohol based sanitizers, and doctor said that stop using these because you are allergic to them. So nothing was working out for me. Then I got this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. It is so good. It is a little expensive, like it retails for 500 rupees for 100 gram of product. It looks very simple. As you can see, the packaging is also very minimalistic and simple, but it is so well. So almost all the dermatologists also suggest Cetaphil products. They are very mild on the skin and also dermatology tested. It can be used for face and body. So what I do is, after I take shower, I take a little amount of this cream and use it all over my hands and the area I feel that needs extra moisturization. And it has no smell at all, no artificial smell, nothing. It is a little bit thick, but as the name suggests, daily hydrating moisturizer, it keeps my hands moisturized for almost 12 hours, which is really great. The packaging says that it is a 24 hours moisturizer, which is not true. It gives around 12 hours because obviously you wash your hands, so it's not like 24 hours but 12 hours for sure. Then it is non-greasy, non-irritating, no fragrance at all, so sensitive skin people can also use this one. So next up, I have these Wet n Wild brushes. These I got on my birthday prior to that, and I use these every day for my makeup, for videos, or for office shoots and anything like that. And these come in white color like this. This is the contour brush, and this one is the foundation or the flat brush, which can be used both ways. So these retails for I think $2.99 each, but the quality is so good. The bristles are so soft, and it blends the product so well. I am absolutely loving these. I will get all other like eyeshadow brushes as well from this brand, and these are like a value for money. If you want good brushes, then you can definitely try these ones. So next up, I have something related to body shower and hair care products. So first one, I have this Body Cupid Pink Lotus Shower Gel. This is how the packaging looks like from the outer. It comes in a pink bottle, and it retails for 299 rupees for almost 200 ml of product, which is really great. So I use it every day in the shower. I'm almost over with this one. It has a very nice formula which is non-sticky, and it gets rinsed off very quickly with water. I use it with that, what do you call it, loaf or sponge that is used for scrubbing, and it makes so many bubbles and it's so good, it's so relaxing. The fragrance is so amazing. It smells like flowers, lotus and all of the essential oils, and it does not has any sulfate or paraben, so that is one great thing about this product. I absolutely love this one. Get your hands on this one from Body Cupid. So next up, if I'm talking about the shower and the hair care, I have this Body Shop Banana Truly Nourishing Conditioner. I got this as a gift on farewell of one office, like my ex office, and this retails for 645 rupees for 250 ml of product. The bottle comes in a plastic shape like this, as you can see, and it has banana as a main ingredient, which is so nice. It is mild, it nourishes my hair, does not leave them frizzy, it makes my hair shiny, and also it has helped me reduce hair fall quite a lot. I absolutely love this one. You can get this one from Body Shop. It says from normal to dry hair. If you're an oily hair kind of a person, then don't go for this one. It's a little bit thick, but I would highly suggest, if you're looking for a good conditioner at this price range, then do check out the Body Shop. They have some amazing range of product. I also want to try their tea tree oil face foaming cleanser. I have heard so good reviews about this. People say that it's really good for acne skin. If you are feeling moist, if you're feeling a lot of humidity in this kind of weather, then you can go for that, and I would really try that out and let you know guys. For conditioner, you can go for this one. So next up, I have a very random product. It is from Shamiana Candles. This is one Instagram page who sent me their candles for collaboration, and I got this one in green and white kind of bowl, and it has a lot of wax. Like, it will last you so long. It is a smell, it is a fragrance candle. So what I love about this is you can just light up in your room and it feels really refreshing, like really refreshing. And if some guests are coming over, you can just put these and you are good to go. It looks very luxurious and it smells amazing. Also, these kind of home decors are really becoming popular, so you can get this one from Shamiana Candles, and it's not that expensive as well. So I think it retails for 200 or 300 rupees for one candle, and they have so many variety. You can get your hands on this one. So next up, I want to show you two empty products which I've been using every day in lockdown. I'm complete with them, they are empty. So these are these two face products. First one I need to show you guys is this Body Cupid. I am over with it, like properly over. This is the Body Cupid face cleanser. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, so it is for dry and aging skin. The formula was so great. I'm over with it. Nothing is coming out from this, and you can get your hands on this one. It retails for 299 rupees for 100 ml of product, which is value for money. It is deep clarifying face wash. After using this, I feel that my skin has become more supple, and it does not feel dry because it has hyaluronic acid, and also it cleans the pores so well. Do check this one out. I am complete with this one in 1 month. So next up, I have the Biotique Bio Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. This is something like this. It is very inexpensive. It retails for 110 rupees for 100 ml of product. I've been using this like 2 or 3 times a week. It is like a physical scrub with little beads, but it's very mild, does not harsh your skin, and also it's really great for blackheads. I have been using this. I feel that after using this, my skin feels a little glowy, and all the impurities that are there on my T-zone are vanished. So I have already completed 2 bottles of this. I will definitely get the 3rd bottle. If you like Biotique products, then you can definitely go for this one. So next up, I want to show you guys a hair product. I have shown this in one of my Nykaa hauls. It is so inexpensive. It retails for around 200 or 300 rupees. I will link down somewhere below. So it is a setting spray, like a hair setting spray. Can you see? The bottle is so huge, and it is for only for 200-300 rupees. It comes in 200 ml plus 50 ml extra. Comes in a black bottle. This is the Gatsby set and keep spray extreme hold. So I have a problem of baby hair right here, so I need to set my hair if I am doing a ponytail all the time. So I use this every day. It is so good. Like this, it comes with a spray and you have to spray from a little far. Does not smell irritating or does not make your hair really hard, but it really holds them in place, which I really like. So if you're making pony or you're curling your hair, then you can definitely check out this one. It's really great. I use this almost every day to set my hair, and the bottle is so huge. I don't think I'm going to empty this till December. So last up, I have two makeup products to show you guys, which I am in love with. The first one is the Lakme Insta eyeliner. You must have seen every blogger talk about this. I got this one in blue shade this time. It's water resistant, it has a liquid texture to it, and very easy to apply. It comes with a brush like this, and this retails for only 100 and 125 rupees, which is so inexpensive. And the pigmentation of this is so good. If you want to create different looks, it comes in 5 to 6 different shades like green, golden, blue. You can get your hands on this one. I have in blue color and black color. Since I have started using this Insta eyeliner, it's been like 2 years. I have never switched to any other eyeliner in my life, and I don't like sketch eyeliners much because they tend to fade away after 1 hour, but these one hold on to the place for almost 6 to 12 hours, which is so good depending on where are you going and what your day looks like. I absolutely recommend this one for you. And the next one I have from Hook Makeup. This is the Nika Nick Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette. It comes in beautiful 9 shades, so bright. So currently also I have used this palette to create this eye look. The pigmentation is so amazing, and these can be used as eyeshadows and blushes, as the packaging also says here. Like every color can be used as a blush or an eyeshadow. And it has 3 shimmery products, like a shimmery shade, and apart from that all of them are matte. They are buildable, they are so clean to be used. The fallout is very less, and this retails for I think $6.99 for a single product. But if you get 3 of them, like 3 different ranges from Nika Nick, from Hook Makeup, you get this for 9.99 rupees, which is so inexpensive. And if you love colors in your eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely go for this one. So that is it for today's video. This was my empty or most favorite products haul from this whole lockdown situation, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, all the products are linked in the description box below. If you like these kind of videos, then I will be making more of these, like a September empty or an October empty video, all the products that I use in a month, and I absolutely love them. I will show you guys one by one. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.